Today is another event. It is the 50th birthday of a client. And we are here at the venue. We already have everything packed. We have another vehicle as well, already full. Most people have already arrived that will be working with me. The big difference between this event and the other events that we've handled in the past is the fact that we are frying on the spot. Yes, so we did make a few arrangements to have a few things done earlier, but for this one, we are frying a lot of the items that will be served right there at right here at the venue. So I would like you guys to just stay with me. Let's go through today. It will be a great day. Puff puff.
The dish?
I'm thinking we might have to switch and bring it up.
On top, yeah, I feel it would be better. Yeah.
The puff puff, but it was too high. I would prefer it's lower. So let me move.
The flowers, yeah. It will block it.
Yeah? What do you guys think?
Yeah.
Here's just for drinks. Yeah? Okay. Alrighty. So let her finish up what she's doing. So what are we doing here again? Oh, for the stand, the puff puff stand. Okay, so we're good. We're good. We're good. Have we set the chicken wings on the table? Awesome. Awesome. The pineapple quarters.
Dum 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 dum